For this recipe, you need nuts if wanted, herbs if wanted, meat any type, rice paper, hot water, a clean surface, and any veggies that you can easily provide. So, first you get the hot water and put it in a large bowl, the size of your rice paper. Then you start putting stuff in. Put as much as you want in, but remember, it's good to seal the rice paper. Also, when you're putting the rice paper in the water, make sure you leave it in there until it goes slightly floppy. Otherwise, it's going to be a hard rice roll. So, when you're ready, you fold it up, corner, corner, side, side. I like to do it. And then you can chop it if wanted. And there you have a Vietnamese spring roll. Enjoy! Also, if you wait till tomorrow, you can get mayonnaise with it. There you have a delicious recipe, delicious dip. That's a double enjoy.